Where in Peru can you find a place where they make you feel at home and provide you with all the creature comforts that a modern executive could wish for? Welcome to Plaza del Bosque Hotel. The spot that offers visitors a perfect setting for executives who are looking for the comforts of a first-rate hotel, as well as the ideal home from home to make every business trip a success. Every detail at Plaza del Bosque Hotel has been designed to give our guests a warm welcome. We have a personalized service that aims to satisfy our clients' every need. Plaza del Bosque Hotel is equipped with comfortable rooms that provide an ideal environment for resting or working with all the creature comforts and modern technology available, such as a dedicated phone line, cable television. In addition to our practical and spacious kitchenette and bathroom, all fully equipped. Our commitment to our clients is reflected in the complimentary services we offer, such as 24-hour shoe shine, laundry, and dry cleaning services. Plaza del Bosque Hotel also features a business center where executives can find 2 efficient bilingual secretaries, a photocopier, color laser printers, computers, a courier and a translation service. And to ease up after the stress of the day, with a well-equipped gym. Our infrastructure also includes a large conference hall with capacity for 300 people, ideal for any corporate or social event. Our pleasant terrace with an excellent swimming pool is the perfect complement when organizing any event. And we are proud of our catering services, which offer gourmet dishes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The high culinary standards of our daily buffet attracts not just our guests, but also leading local and international executives. With our first-rate service and a pleasant ambiance of the Plaza del Bosque Hotel, guests can enjoy not only a superb meal, they can also enjoy a cocktail at our elegant bar. Plaza del Bosque Hotel provides guests with the advantage of being located in the heart of the financial quarter of San Isidro, and our friendly customer service against the backdrop of the hotel's traditional hospitality at the service of our clients. A warm welcome is waiting for you at Plaza del Bosque Hotel. We'll make you feel at home.